When boiling eggs, you should never put them directly into the water. I'm sure millions of people are wasting time and compromising the true quality of their eggs. When you're done boiling the eggs and try to peel them, the whites stick to the shell in clumps, which is very frustrating. Today, I'll share with you the secret to boiling eggs that I just discovered. The eggs will retain their freshness and tenderness with a rich, creamy yolk, never drying out. And most importantly, the shell will peel off 3 times faster. It only takes a single touch. Watch the video to see how it's done. First, you need to arrange the eggs in a bowl. Immediately after that, add 50 milliliters of white vinegar. Finally, add water and let it soak for 5 minutes. Note that you need to completely fill the eggs with water. Vinegar helps to lighten the calcium layer on the eggshell. While you wait, you will need a cloth towel. Using a towel to absorb the water, the towel acts as an absorbent material, retaining moisture during this process. Wring out excess water from the towel. Now you put the towel inside a pot. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, place the eggs that have been soaked in vinegar on top of the towel. Adjust the towel so the egg is centered. Now put the lid on and place the pot on the stove. Turn on the stove and adjust the temperature to the lowest setting. Once steam rises, you need to heat it for 8 minutes. The water in the cloth forms steam. When the steam condenses on the eggshell, it transfers heat inside, cooking the egg evenly. After 8 minutes, turn off the heat and remove the pot. Now add cold water directly into the pot and soak the eggs in the cold water for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I took the eggs out and peeled them. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now, please check the results. I used a knife to tap the egg lengthwise. With just a light touch, the eggshell instantly cracks evenly and peels off in large chunks. No more scraping off small pieces of shell or damaging the egg white. In just a few seconds, the entire shell is quickly peeled away, revealing a smooth and perfect egg. These boiled eggs are incredibly beautiful, with their soft, smooth, and intact egg whites. When cut in half, the golden yolks are revealed, with a rich, creamy, and appealing texture. Each piece of egg offers a soft, delicious, and perfectly cooked texture, making anyone who sees it want to try it immediately. Tip 2. First, I crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of pepper. Then stir well. This egg mixture will help the noodles stick together when fried and create a softer, richer outer layer. Next, place the pan on the stove and add cooking oil. Then, I blanched the instant noodles in boiling water for a short time until the noodles were soft enough. Then, I took them out to drain. When the oil in the pan was hot, I added the noodles. Use a spoon to spread it evenly across the pan. When the noodles started to heat up and become slightly firm, I slowly poured the egg mixture over them, allowing the egg to evenly coat the noodles underneath. At that moment, I grated some more shredded cheese on top. When it came into contact with the heat, the cheese began to melt and cling to each strand of pasta, creating a very appealing creamy aroma. And here's the most interesting part. I gently rolled the entire egg pasta into a cylindrical shape right on the hot pan. The outer layer of egg gradually held its shape, while the cheese inside began to stretch slightly. Finally, I served it on a plate and enjoyed it while it was still hot. The outside was slightly golden, while the inside was a soft pasta combined with rich egg and melted cheese, making it incredibly delicious. Tip 3. Place the pan on the stove and add olive oil. First, I cracked 2 chicken eggs into a bowl. Add a little salt and pepper. Then stir well until the eggs are dissolved. Then pour in the eggs. Stir quickly until just cooked through. When the eggs are cooked through, remove them to a separate plate. Then put the pan back on the stove and add olive oil. Next, I finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. Next, prepare 3 sprigs of green onions and cut them into 2 centimeters long pieces. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Sauté the garlic and scallions until fragrant. I sprinkled about 1 teaspoon of salt on the bean sprouts. Then add 1 liter of clean water. Then gently rinse the bean sprouts with salt. Drain the bean sprouts, then quickly stir-fry them over high heat to maintain their crispness and prevent them from releasing too much water. When the bean sprouts were just cooked through, I added the pre-prepared eggs back in. Stir gently to combine. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce to enhance the flavor. Continue stirring until the soy sauce is well combined. Finally, I stirred briefly, turned off the heat, and served it on a plate. The result is a crispy, refreshing, and light fried egg with bean sprouts, perfect for hot days. Quick and easy, yet delicious and easy to eat. You should try it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is my motivation to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips. See you in the next videos.